Good morning. I'm going to go over a quick little things on petitioning. A lot of people are going to need to know this, so please share this one out and share it heavily. You've got our petition here. Let me grab the camera. And I haven't signed yet, so you're going to witness, along with me witnessing, my own signature, and we're going to go through this petition. As you read the petition, it gives you the information. You got to read through it. We suggest everybody do read through it. It's very small, obviously. The language is extremely easy, nothing major. Takes about a minute, maybe 2 minutes for somebody to read and understand. So on a petition, you got to fill it out properly. This is your normal petition sheet. This is the county line. Oops, sorry, that's the county line. So this is where you'll put in the county. I'm in Midland County. And make sure you spell properly. That is very important. If you're not sure, look the words up before you spell them. Here, or the county's up, because an improperly spelled county will cause that petition, that entire sheet, to be useless. So when you're filling it out, you put in the county. I'm in Midland. Write cleanly, clearly, so it's very easy to see and not messed up. So yeah, this is from Midland County. So anybody that signs this sheet from now on has to be in Midland County. It doesn't matter where they're at in Midland County, but they must be Midland County registered voters. So what I'll do is I'm in the township. We're over here. This is the city of and township of. This asks where the voter lives and where they're registered to vote. I'm in the township of Mills. If you were in the city of Midland, you would put city of Midland. If you're in the township of Mills or the township of Larkin, you put Larkin. If you're in the city of Sanford, which is a city within Midland County, that is Sanford. Wherever you vote, that is where it's at. So if you vote in the city, make sure you mark city and then the city. If you vote in the townships, make sure you mark township, then the township. And then we got signature. Make sure everybody's signing within the box. Try not to let them sign outside the box. Because if they sign outside the box and they cross signatures, that could negate those signatures. So try to get them inside the box. So I'm going to head and sign here, and you'll watch me sign. If they sign outside the box, scroll down, have whoever signs next go to the next empty box and sign that one. So this is printed name. And then we have address, where they live, their street address. Now, this is also the address, and it's right on the bottom of the petition here. Let me back it up so it's in focus. Right down here is the 3670 Schaefer Road. That's the campaign address. That's my address. That's where you can send the petitions back to if you end up sending them off. If you want to deliver them, is that address. So I'm going to fill that out up here. This will be the next thing the signatures, the voters fill out here if they want to sign the petition. If they make a mistake, don't have them cross out and start again. Cross the entire line through one line. Strike it through, and then have them sign again on below. Next one is zip code. Next one, a lot of people want to think this is their birthday. No, it's the day they sign. Do not let people sign their birthday, because then they have to cross the whole thing out and sign again. So it's the day we sign. Today is 9/1/2017. Now you can do just 17 in there, that's fine. So that's it. That's how you witness a petition, and that's how a voter must fill it out. City or township, complete where they vote. Signature within the lines of the box. Printed name. Address where they vote, where they're registered to live at and where they're registered to vote, the zip code, and the day they sign. You as the petitioner, don't matter if you're in state or out of state, wherever you're at in Michigan, read this section. Certificate of circulator. You got to read that. You got to check that box that says, I read this. I understand these rules. I understand this is a legal contract and a law, and I understand there's some terms and conditions that apply. You got to read this and make sure and notify that. Then you have to fill this section out only after all this section is filled out. Do not fill this out until this has been filled out, please. That's what people are trying to imply happened over on the other side of the state with William, and that didn't happen. I talked to him. He was passing them out like I was yesterday, giving them into places to get them ready, and they were witnessing the signatures. That's what they're trying to imply William did, and he wasn't doing that. So please, don't fill this section out until these ones are done. That's how you prove that I was the one that witnesses this. I seen this, so I'll fill this section out. But when you're done, you'll fill this section out. Notice this last line here. If you're a Michigan resident, you do not need to fill in this last line. This last line, I'm going to put my eyes on. Yes, Lucy, I know you're yelling at me because you want more food already. So you look down here, and it will say County of Registration. It's kind of hard to see because it's not, it's cameras if you look too close. If registered to vote of a circulator who is not a resident of Michigan. So this last line is, if somebody from Ohio comes up and petitions for Abrogate or any of the other petitions, this is where they got to write the county that they're registered to vote in Ohio. Michiganders do not need to fill that out. If you're registered to vote, it will be this area, which is your signature, the date that you sign it, whatever date. If I get this filled out today, then I'll put that date in there. The printed name, your complete address again, your city, town, and state, and that's it. That's pretty much all there is to this thing. It's not that tricky. It's not that hard. Follow the rules, make it easy, make it lawful. Let the voters decide, not Lansing bureaucrats. Thank you.